Hello everyone. This is the second short screencast for to know how to assign roles to the people that you have added to this website. Now there are two options. Either the first option is if you want to make them a site administrator, go to site administration. The other options also, I'm going to show you the first option. The first option is you can make the users which you have added to the site as the site administrators itself, so that they will be able to administer the site on their own. This is not happening. Okay, it is open now. So when you go here, you can see you can click user and then permissions, and then you can select site administrators. So when you select site administrators, now you can see that this was the new user that I added, and these are all the already existing site administrators. If I want to assign a role of site administrator to this new user, then I'm going to select this user and then I'm going to click add. But right now I'm not going to do that because I do not want to make this user a site administrator. Instead of that, what I want to do is I want to add this user to the course which I have already created, say applied mathematics. Now in applied mathematics, you have to do the same thing. I'm going to select either from here, turn editing on. I'm going to select this button, or even there will be turn editing on option here too. So I've already selected the turn editing on button, and now I'm going to see how I'm going to assign the roles. So I'm going to select user and I'm going to select enrolled users. So as soon as I do that, you can see that I get a list of all the users for which have been enrolled for this particular course. Now you can see that there is no name of this new user Poonam Deshpande, which I created before this in the last video. So I have to first enroll that user. So I'm going to click enroll user, and then you can see that there are two names, and this is the one which I actually created a new user in the last video. So I'm going to click, I'm going to assign a role as a teacher, and then I'm going to enroll that person. So I'm going to click finish enrolling. So once I do that, that person will be added to this list now, and you can see that now the role of this person is a teacher. See, you can see that there are other users also. If you want to change their roles, you can select this assign roles, and then it will give you many options. See, these are all the options which you can give. So you can give options like this. Suppose I give option of teacher to this user, and delete manager. So now this user is a teacher as well as a course creator. So there are many roles. You can just go through this related material which is available on Moodle site, and you can see what are the permissions given to each of the role. So this is how you enroll the participants and assign the roles to them. So I just want to quickly show you how exactly this teacher role will work. So now you can see that since I am the site administrator, what I can see is in this on this page, I have the administration tab, the course administration tab, as well as switch role to tab, and the site administration tab. Because I'm a site administration, I have this tab, but actually if you open this, now here this is the site where I'm going to log in as a new user, Poonam MD74 with the password. Okay, I'm going to log in, and remember that this user was assigned as a role of teacher. So as soon as, now see, this page looks different from the page that I have as a site administrator. Now this takes you directly to this page, and here there is a course which to which he is been enrolled. And if you remember that the site administrator, that my page has got two courses, the Moodle introduction to Moodle course as well as the applied mathematics course. But this particular user has only one course allotted to him, because we have actually enrolled this person to only applied mathematics. So when I click this, I come to this page as a new user, and you can see that there is a turn editing on button here. So if I click that, I will be able to add, subtract material on this website. One more thing to be noted as, unlike the site administrator, there is no option of site administration here, because this person has been assigned a role of a teacher. So he or she can only edit the content on these websites. That means you can add or subtract, and you can add students also, but you cannot do the job of site administrator. So I think this is all I can tell you about how to add a new user and assign a role. Thank you.